December 8th at the dog park with Athena. See if I can get you a little video of her running through the snow. It's quite the visual. The blizzard ended Monday evening. This is Wednesday afternoon. Couldn't get out of the house Sunday or Monday. Missed my trip to Cincinnati to see my daughter. But we're all good. And we got some beautiful snow up here. Kind of does put me in the Christmas spirit, you know. Oh, there she goes. Isn't that a beautiful sight, seeing her run through that snow? I just absolutely love that. Makes me smile. Watch this. Athena! Come here, baby. Come here. Come on. Come here. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, my. Oh, my. Yeah, she's getting big. Last summer she was at like 120, but she's been eating a lot lately. I think she's probably up in 130, maybe even a little better. But happy Christmas season, everybody. This is beautiful. I do love this time of year. Even though I know Jesus wasn't born on December 25th. It's still the time that, for whatever reason, that's when we celebrate that it happened. And that is the best thing that ever happened. Appreciate you guys. Love you much. Make sure you're stacking that silver and gold. A little copper too. It's gonna get rough, I think. Peace out.